Attention! You're entering to a detective game. If you're ready to continue, press yes. Excel is a spreadsheet software, or I call it detective game. Why? Because a spreadsheet consists of rows, columns, and cells that numbers, texts, pictures, and sounds can be added and stored in, and they can have logical relation between each other. A spreadsheet analyzes these data and represents various charts and useful reports. Now, let's take a look at important uses of Microsoft Excel. It organizes and classifies data, processes the data, and extract new information. Extract chart types based on spreadsheet data. Excel environment. Toolbar. Under menu bar, there is a toolbar, which is a collection of icons. This is a shortcut of drop-down menus, and together it is called Excel ribbon. You can customize the Excel ribbon according to your preferences. Formulabar. This is for displaying formulas which appear in active cell, or even for editing or creating formulas and data. For activating Formulabar, go to View and check the Formulabar mark. Sheetbar. Under the worksheet is a bar, which is called Sheetbar. Imagine that Excel is like a book which consists of pages. So, these sheets are the pages of the Excel. Excel terms. Workbook. For simplifying it, let's say Workbook is an Excel file which contains one or more than one worksheets. One Excel file or one Excel workbook format is XLSX. Worksheet. A worksheet is a collection of rows and columns. Rows. A worksheet consists of rows which run horizontally that are specified with numbers like 1, 2, 3, and so on. Columns. A worksheet consists of columns which run vertically that are specified with alphabets like A, B, C, and so on. Cell. A cell is the collision of a row and column. These cells can store numbers, characters, formulas, and so on. Range. A set of cells in Excel is called a range. A selected range is called the active range, where you can type the desired values. Let's see the address of a cell. This box displays the unique address of each cell, alphabetic letters for columns, and numbers for rows. For example, this is C4. That C is for column and 4 is for row. Each cell in a sheet has its own unique address. For specifying any address of a cell, in name box, first write the alphabetic character of the column, then the number of the row. Now let's go to a cell address quickly. What should we do? Yes, in this name box, just type the cell address and press Enter. A10. Change Excel direction. The default direction of the Excel is left to right, but for some languages, right to left direction is the good choice. For changing the direction, go to Page Layout, Sheet right to left. Main features. Typing formula. One of the main features of Excel is formulas, which is used in data processing. Chart. One of the simplest but attractive tasks is to draw a chart and its professional settings in Excel. There are more than 30 types of charts in Excel. Table. We can convert an Excel range to a table, which is managed and dynamic. This means that any changes in Excel file is applied in table. If you address pivots and formulas to a table instead of addressing a normal range, they will be updated automatically. Pivot charts and pivot tables are for reporting. Excel is a unique reporting tool with tables and charts that perform one-dimensional and multi-dimensional reports and a series of calculations. Subtotal for grouping. Subtotal categorizes tables or performs calculations on the filters. Power Pivot and Power Query. Power Pivot and Power Query for working with data. Power Pivot is an Excel add-in you can use to perform powerful data analysis. It is a data modeling technology that allows you to work with large data sets and create sophisticated data models. Power Query is a data connection technology. Don't forget, you are a detective now and you have to solve every puzzle in each section of this tutorial. When you pass one, you will enter the next. After passing all steps, you will be an Excel general.